Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So today we're doing something quick and simple. I'm leaving these two out, but I am going to take these down. This is my go-to after I wash my hair and I need a quick style real quick. But I don't want to put too much product. I don't want to do too much because like freshly washed hair, you have so much potential. It's like a what reference am I trying to use? It's like a blank canvas. Like you have so much that you can work with. So I try not to do too much. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is, do I want to keep this? No, I don't. Let me make sure this is good. And now we're going to braid all the way down. And when I say all the way down, I really mean all the way down. I'm not gonna stop it in a little puff. I'm just gonna braid it. I wish I knew. It is day 30. I'm so excited. I don't know why I did that drum roll as if y'all can't look at the caption and see that. But yeah. Yeah. Hopefully we have a little length. 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 Okay, now I'm about to braid it all the way down. Length check. Let's see. We got that length. We want it. I got a little something, a little hang time. See, simple. Like you don't really gotta do much. And now that I'm braiding, I slick. Wish I would have kept that out, cause that's cute. Like this little twist thing is cute. Now I'm sad, but we are not going back. Okay, and now I hate when I realize something after the fact. This is what I should have did for the first one. I should have finger detangled it. Definitely, it would have been flatter. Okay. Okay. Take my handy dandy brush. And then we braid. And of course, if you can't braid, you can definitely substitute it for a twist. Still works the same. A flat twist will be neater, but you don't have to do a flat twist. You can do a 2-strand if you wanted to. let's groove tonight. I've been breathing. I've been breathing heavy, man. That's how y'all know I'm out of shape, bro. I'm about to start going back to well, not back. Let me not lie. I'm about to start going to the gym though. I finally got over it. Why is it still right there? Why? What? Okay, I'm gonna pull it out. I don't care. Probably should have just did that to begin with, but like this don't want to go nowhere. Like you see it. Okay, but yeah, definitely gotta pull that out. Let's take a shower. Take a shower. Take a shower. And imagine, where does rubber band come from that's on my shoulder? Can y'all see? How long has that been sitting here? Okay, so yeah, definitely. Yeah, I like that. So we definitely about to take this part out. I don't care. So how much of that is out? I think I took too much out. Let's see. Watch me, I took too much out. Oh, my GT Shawn. Yeah, I like it out. Okay, I'm about to re-braid this one just so it can be neater, and I'll be back. And we are done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back. We got one more day, but that doesn't mean the content stops. The content is definitely gonna keep going. Like I said, this is an easy go-to style. No product needed, really, for real, just your edges, but like blank canvas. Take these out, do whatever you want to do with your hair afterwards, but watch day be too hectic anyways, and we always got something to do. So yeah, definitely tune into the style, but I love you guys. See you guys tomorrow.